Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we'll explore how to send emails in Java via API. Java Mail API is a popular choice for sending emails in Java via API, but in this tutorial, we'll explore how to send emails via Mailtrap's email sending API. It provides a stable email infrastructure with high deliverability rates, unique monitoring features, secure domain setup, and much more. We'll show you how to send with Java Mail API in our next tutorials, so stay tuned. Alright, first we need to add the OK-HTTP dependency to our pom.xml file. This is a Maven dependency, which is a tool that automates the management of Java project builds and dependencies. By adding the OK-HTTP dependency, Maven will handle the installation and configuration of the library, allowing us to make HTTP requests in our code. Once the dependency is installed, we can start writing our code. We'll begin by creating an instance of the OK-HTTP client. This client will handle our HTTP requests. Next, we define the media type for our request. Since we're sending an email, our media type will be application/JSON. Now, we'll create the body of our request. This body contains the email's content, formatted in JSON. Next, we fill our request body class with all the email parameters. And let's also pass on the media type of the body. Once all of this is ready, we can proceed to create the request itself. Let's open a new request builder method and use the URL of the API endpoint. Now we can set the method to post and add the necessary headers. These headers include the authorization token and the content type. After building our request with the build method, we hit the API endpoint. If everything is set up correctly, we should receive a response indicating the email was sent successfully. So let's just add that part. Okay, let's run the script and check out our inbox. And there is our email. Successfully sent via Mailtrap's email sending API. That's all for sending emails in Java via API. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.